Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Bhavesh and in this video I'll show you how you can change the color scheme of your Shopify store. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the online store, and from here in the theme section all you need to do is click on customize. So a dashboard like this will open up, and then you have to click on the theme settings and finally on the colors. So here as you can see that there are several color schemes that are already available to you, and by default the first one is always selected on the store. So you can make changes to this if you want to change the background or if you want to change the text color. You can do it very easily, okay? But if you want to create a color scheme for yourself, what you can do is click on add scheme and you can select the colors that you want. Let's say I want to go with this green and then add a blue color text for some reason, okay, and let's do a red button label. Let's just go weird at this point, okay? So I'll just go back and I can see that the color scheme has been created. Now if I want to apply it to this section, I'll simply click here, then I'll go to the color scheme and I'll select color scheme 7 which I just created, and as you can see the background has appeared, the text color is working fine, and I can apply the menu scheme as scheme 7 as well. And this is how easy it is to set a color scheme for your Shopify store. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you need help with setting up your Shopify store, I'll put a link in the description below.